Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be building a one-page scrolling website with the Divi WordPress theme. And this theme's got some great things. It's got some video sliders, we've got animations, got a bit of CSS going on there, got a video background. And in this series of videos I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put this site together. We'll start from scratch and we'll work from the header all the way down to the footer. We've included some great features like a back to the top button and some smooth scrolling to get to our various sections here. And although Divi has some great built-in themes and templates, this is for people that want to build their own from scratch, and it really is quite easy, especially with the new Divi builder. For those of you that haven't got Divi, you can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. So let's get started building this site. So let's build a little call to action section next under our about section here that we've just built. And we can actually do this with our visual builder if we want to. Let's go ahead and do that. So if we scroll down to the end of our about section, hit the little blue plus button. I want a new section, I want a regular section, and I'm just going to use one row. And I want it to be text. And it's going to be a sort of call to action. So in fact we've got a call to action module up here, I believe. There it is. Let's give it the title of Future Proof Web Solutions. And let's say the button that we're going to use, let's say learn more. And we don't want any media here. Let's just add a couple of lines of text. So yet again, we'll go back to our lorem ipsum. And we literally want a couple of lines here. Let's try that. Let's paste that in there. It's kind of got it. Now I want to go to my design. It's the wrong blue. I've got my color blue saved. So I'm going to copy my blue color. I'm going to want to get rid of that background. I won't do it yet because I won't be able to see the text. Go to our design. Everything looks right there. And I guess I'll put my blue color in here. We could just make it transparent, but let's go ahead and put it in there. So there's color. Let's get rid of the color that's in there and paste in our new color. There we go. That's the color we want, but I want the whole section to have that color. And I don't see a button there, so let's have a look at our content. Link, it'll be right here. If I put you've got to put a link in there, I believe, for the button to appear. So I'm just going to put a hashtag till we decide where it wants to go, probably to our contact section. There we are. Now I've put something in there. The button's appeared down here. And that's fine. The actual hover effect, that works for me. So let's save that. Now I want to give our whole section that same blue background color. So I've just clicked on the section cog and we're in content, background. Let's give it a color. Paste in that blue color again. That's it. We're good to go. There's our little call to action section there. And we might decide that perhaps we want it a little bit thinner. So we can bring the padding down a bit like that. There you have it. One little call to action section. Let's just save that. And start working on our services section next. Exit the visual builder.